Calling all engineering students. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to turn your ideas into reality? To do a project that's not just about theory, but about creating something tangible, exciting and fun? Welcome to TecQuipment's Student Competition, the perfect blend of challenge, creativity and pure engineering enjoyment. Imagine this, you and your team brainstorming, experimenting and pushing the limits of what you know. You'll get hands-on with TecQuipment's equipment, exploring an engineering concept of your choice and presenting a video report that could win you a cash prize and a custom-made trophy. Why join? Competitions bring out your best ideas. They encourage teamwork and give you the chance to showcase your skills in a way that lectures and textbooks can't. You'll experience the highs of creative breakthrough, the satisfaction of solving tough challenges, and the buzz of competing against the brightest minds from other institutions. But there's more. The competition isn't just a learning opportunity, it's a launchpad for your future. By taking part, you'll gain real-world experience. Applying your knowledge in a practical project prepares you for the challenges of real engineering work. Teamwork and collaboration. Working with your peers enhances your communication skills and teaches you the value of different perspectives. Recognition and prizes. Imagine the pride of having your project celebrated and earning accolades that will stand out on your CV. Sounds good? Well, here's what you need to do. Firstly, propose a research question. Pick a question that excites you. Explore, investigate, and get ready to test your theories. Perform experiments. Use TecQuipment's apparatus to bring your ideas to life. Experiment, tweak and refine until you've got something amazing to show. And finally, create your video report, capturing your journey in a fun and engaging video. Show us what you've learned, what you've built, and why it matters. So why not make your mark? TecQuipment's student competition is a chance to have fun, to learn, and to make something incredible. Plus, who knows, you might just walk away with some amazing prizes and memories that last a lifetime. Ready to join the fun? Head over to our competition page, gather your team, and start planning your winning project today. We can't wait to see the amazing things you'll create.